Welcome to the unboxing and configuration video for the Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Light Bulb. When you open the package, locate your Tapo bulb and quick start guide. To set up the bulb, you'll need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and a smartphone. To start, download the Tapo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Open the Tapo app, then register or log in with your TP-Link ID. Tap the plus button and select your Tapo bulb model. Install and turn on your bulb. The bulb should blink 3 times before turning solid. Next, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the bulb's Wi-Fi. Return to the app and connect your bulb to your home Wi-Fi network. Remember, you can only connect to the 2.4 GHz band and not the 5 GHz band. Name your bulb, set a location, and customize its icon for easier identification. After setting it up, you can check for the latest firmware to optimize its performance. Now, your bulb is set up. Easily turn your Tapo bulb on or off via the app, anytime, anywhere. Have fun exploring all the other functions in the app and enjoy this small but powerful device.